Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 60 under Test of Orals, Section 7. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. So the given phonetic symbol is here and it is ch, consonant sound. So option A is clatter, B is furnish, C is technical, D is teacher. So first we'll transcribe each of the options given to us and then we will pick out the one that contains the same phonetic symbol given to us. So option A, clutter, is transcribed this way, clutter. Option B, furnish, is transcribed this way, furnish. Option C, technical, is transcribed this way, and option D, teacher, is transcribed this way. So from the transcriptions we've done, we see that option D, teacher, contains the same sound given to us in the question. Hence the correct answer is D, option D, teacher. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.